what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. The red bird says, tweet, 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 tweet. Now clap your hands and stomp your feet. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. The yellow duck says, quack, 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 quack. Now everybody shake your back. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. The blue horse says, hey, hey, and galloping away. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green dog looking at me. Put your frog on your little head and bounce. Here we go. I had a little frog. His name was Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. He ate up all the soap, and then he burnt last night of a bubble in his throat. Silly froggy, green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. The purple cat says, meow, meow, and then sneaks away on the ground. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. The white dog says, whiff, whiff, whiff. Let me see you wag your tail and smack your stuff. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Let's sing. Black sheep, have you any more? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my name. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. Black sheep, have you any more? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Are you ready for more? Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. You can make a fishy face for me today. Put your lips together, just this way.